You want to know what's awesome? Crushing it in business. You want to know what's even more awesome? Crushing it in business that you built from the ground up with your bare hands. And you want to know what's the most awesome? Doing all that without needing a bazillion dollars to get started. That's right, my friends. Today we're diving headfirst into the exhilarating world of starting a business with minimal investment. We're talking lean, mean, entrepreneurial machines. And I'm going to give you the blueprint to build your own. So buckle up, because things are about to get real. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into a topic that excites many aspiring entrepreneurs. How to start a business with minimal investment while maximizing your returns. If you've ever dreamed of being your own boss without breaking the bank, this video is for you. Let's get started. First things first, we gotta tap into that fire in your belly. What gets you pumped? What makes you forget to eat? No, seriously, I wanna know. Is it doodling epic fantasy creatures? Is it baking cakes that would make your grandma jealous? Is it knowing the ins and outs of vintage sneakers better than anyone else on the planet? That passion, my friend, is your golden ticket. See, too many people try to chase the next big thing, the next get-rich-quick scheme. But let me tell you, those things fade. What lasts, what truly fuels a successful business is genuine passion. When you love what you do, it stops feeling like work. It becomes an obsession, a mission, a way of life. So dig deep. What are you amazing at? What unique skills and talents do you bring to the table? Maybe you're a coding ninja, a social media wizard, a wordsmith extraordinaire. Whatever it is, own it. Embrace it. Because those skills combined with your passion are the foundation upon which you'll build your empire. Don't overthink this. Don't get bogged down in what you think you do. Listen to your gut. What makes your heart sing? That's your starting point. Trust me, the best businesses are built on passion, sweat, and a whole lot of hustle. All right, entrepreneurs in the making, let's talk business. You don't need a trust fund to get started. We're diving into low-cost business ideas with maximum impact. First up, freelancing, the ultimate side hustle for marketable skills. Platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, and Guru connect you with clients. Next, dropshipping. Sell products online without touching inventory. Create and sell online courses or ebooks. Platforms like Teachable and Udemy make it easy. Consulting might be your calling. Businesses need your insights and guidance. Handmade crafts and products. Platforms like Etsy and Shopify are your oyster. All right, entrepreneurs, we're moving and grooving. We've tapped into your passions, explored some killer low-cost business ideas, and now it's time to get down to brass tacks and craft your business plan. Now, before you start sweating and picturing some stuffy 100-page document, relax. We're not talking about writing a novel here. Think of your business plan as your roadmap to success. It's a living, breathing document that outlines your goals, your target market, your pricing strategy, and how you plan to promote your business. It doesn't have to be complicated, but it does need to be clear, concise, and focused. First things first, define your target market. Who are you trying to reach with your product or service? What are their pain points? What keeps them up at night? Once you understand your ideal customer, you can tailor your messaging and marketing efforts to resonate with them on a deeper level. Next, let's talk about your unique selling proposition, USP. What makes your business stand out from the competition? What value do you bring to the table that no one else does? Your USP is your secret sauce, your differentiator, your unfair advantage. It's what will make customers choose you over everyone else. Now let's talk numbers. What are your startup costs? How much will it cost you to produce your product or deliver your service? What are your projected expenses? Once you have a handle on your costs, you can start thinking about pricing. Pricing is a delicate dance, my friends. You need to find a price point that's attractive to customers but also profitable for your business. Research your competitors, consider your costs, and don't be afraid to experiment until you find the sweet spot. Finally, let's talk about marketing. How are you going to get the word out about your awesome business? Will you be leveraging social media, content marketing, paid advertising, word-of-mouth referrals? The key is to create a marketing plan that aligns with your target market and your budget. Chapter 4. Building your online empire. Conquer the digital realm. Listen up, entrepreneurs, because this is crucial. In today's digital age, if you're not online, you might as well not exist. Building a strong online presence is non-negotiable. It's your storefront, your business card, your megaphone to the world. And the best part, it doesn't have to cost an arm and a leg. First things first, you need a website. It's your digital home base, the place where potential customers can learn more about your business, browse your products or services, and get in touch with you. Platforms like WordPress, Wix, and Squarespace make it easier than ever to create a professional-looking website without needing a degree in computer science. But hold up, your website is just the beginning. Social media is your secret weapon, your direct line to your target audience. Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, LinkedIn, these platforms are your free marketing tools, my friends. Use them wisely. Don't spread yourself too thin though. Focus on the platforms where your target audience hangs out. Create engaging content, share your story, and interact with your followers. Be authentic, be yourself, and watch as your online community grows. And hey, don't underestimate the power of email marketing. Building an email list is like building a gold mine. It's a direct channel to communicate with your most engaged followers, share exclusive content, and promote your products or services. But building an online presence isn't just about broadcasting your message to the masses. It's also about listening. Pay attention to what people are saying about your brand online, engage with your followers, respond to comments and messages, and use their feedback to improve your products or services. Chapter 5. The Power of Networking. Building relationships for business success. All right, entrepreneurs, let's talk about one of the most powerful tools in your arsenal: networking. And no, I'm not talking about awkward cocktail parties where you're desperately trying to hand out business cards to anyone who makes eye contact. I'm talking about building genuine, authentic relationships with other people in your industry and beyond. Networking is all about connecting with people who can help you grow your business. It's about building relationships, sharing ideas, and supporting each other. It's about creating a network of like-minded individuals who understand the challenges and rewards of entrepreneurship. So, where do you start? Well, for starters, get out there and meet people. Attend industry events, join local business groups, and connect with people online. Don't be afraid to strike up conversations, ask questions, and share your story. When you're networking, it's important to be genuinely interested in other people. Ask them about their businesses, their challenges, their goals. Listen more than you talk, and always look for ways to add value to the conversation. And remember, networking is a two-way street. Don't just focus on what you can get out of the relationship. Look for ways to help the other person as well. Whether it's making an introduction, sharing a valuable resource, or simply offering words of encouragement, the more you give, the more you'll get back. Social media is your new best friend when it comes to networking. Connect with people on LinkedIn, join relevant Facebook groups, and participate in Twitter chats. Don't be afraid to reach out to people you admire and start a conversation. Chapter 6. Start small, scale up, building your business brick by brick. All right, entrepreneurs, we've covered a lot of ground today. We've talked about identifying your passions, exploring low-cost business ideas, crafting a killer business plan, building a rock-solid online presence, and harnessing the power of networking. Now it's time to put all that knowledge into action and start building your empire. But here's the thing. You don't need to go from 0 to 60 overnight. In fact, I encourage you to start small and scale up gradually. Focus on delivering exceptional quality, building a loyal customer base, and perfecting your processes before you start thinking about world domination. Although, hey, I'm all for world domination when the time is right. Starting small allows you to test the waters, experiment with different approaches, and make adjustments along the way without risking everything. It also allows you to learn as you go, building your skills and confidence as your business grows. Don't be afraid to get your hands dirty and do the work yourself in the early days. As your business gains traction and revenue starts flowing in, you can start outsourcing tasks, hiring employees, and investing in growth. Remember, Rome wasn't built in a day, and neither will your business. Be patient, be persistent, and never ever give up on your dreams. And most importantly, have fun. Building a business should be an exciting, rewarding experience. So embrace the journey, celebrate your wins, learn from your mistakes, and never stop hustling. Outrow, go forth and conquer. Your entrepreneurial journey begins now. There you have it, my friends, the blueprint for starting a business with minimal investment and maximum impact. Remember, the only thing standing between you and your dreams is you. So, get out there, hustle hard, and make it happen. There you have it. Simple steps to start a business with minimal investment. Remember, every successful business starts with a single step. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and share your thoughts in the comments below. What business idea are you excited to start? Until next time, keep hustling.